Simply the most beautiful rice you've ever seen in your life, and not only that, it's also delicious and very nutritious. I was having a lazy day and thought I'm going to make purple rice. Why not, right? I took the purple cabbage, put it in the food processor, and ended up with a cup and a half of purple cabbage. But you can chop it with a knife or you can grate it with a grater. It's just that I wanted it to really disappear in the rice, so I sautéed 2 cloves of garlic with a little olive oil, added the cabbage, let it wilt a bit, and added the salt. Remember, I have to consider the amount of cabbage and rice when adding the salt. That's why I added a bit more than usual. Just in the white rice, I mixed it and added a cup of white rice. From here, it's just like making regular rice, right? Let it saute a bit, add water. I like to use hot water, but you can do it however you prefer. When it finishes cooking, it's moist, but if you leave the pot covered, it dries out and looks beautiful, see?